Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about SAP ABAP question and answers. What are the limitations of redefining a method? Inherited methods can be redefined in subclasses. Redefined methods must be re-implemented in subclasses. The signature of redefined methods cannot be changed. Static methods cannot be redefined. Inheritance: static components are shared. A class shares its non-private static attributes with all its subclasses. In above objects, you cannot only add new components but also provide inherited methods with new implementations. This is known as redefinition. You can only redefine public and protected instance methods, other components, static methods, attributes, and so on cannot be redefined. Changes to method parameters, signature changes are not possible. Thank you for watching.